Hi everyone. So you want to shut up your navigation, because you know when it goes off, it's making such a noise. You can't even think straight. Oh no, I want to listen to me music. I don't like it. I want to go on loads of stuff. You just want it to be quiet. Thank you. But how do you do that? I'm going to show you an easy way. You could go into your system and do it, but this is an easy way by voice, and I'm going to tell you right now.
Mal's back talking Tesla. To see the enhancements made to my Tesla and how to update yours, please subscribe to the channel, and you can message me with suggestions or for help.
If it's your first time, nice to have you join us. Let's have some fun with this, because it's voice. And as you know with voice, you can say some things and it doesn't do what you want it to. But what you need to say is the following, and it will work for you. And it will mute that horrible sound of that woman that continually nags. Could be like your girlfriend or your wife. Oh dear, get into trouble here. But you just want to turn them off. You'd like to say shut up, but guess what? When you say shut up, it doesn't do it. It's not command recognized yet. I'm sure Elon will put it on. If it's Alexa and you say shut up,
Alexa, shut up.
Okay, I'll stop nagging.
She'll shut up. And she'll go quiet, and that's the end of it. So that's what we need to do. Let's do it. So the one that always works is mute voice navigation. So let's try it. Mute voice navigation. Navigation, voice muted. Unmute voice navigation. That's worked. Mute voice guidance. Unmute voice guidance. They're the ones that really work. If you say stop voice, it stops the media. So that's not going to help you. Stop voice. So they're the things that you can do and can't do, and that shuts up that annoying navigation when all your music is gone and you're like, oh, in the middle of it all, you just want to have it quiet. You just want to tell us to be quiet. I mean, the other procedure is you have to go into nav and you have to, just not even worth mentioning it. But, you know, voice is much better and it's safer. You just tell it to go off. Mute voice guidance is the best one, I think, is the greatest one. Works every time. So, hope that's been informative for you. Don't forget, leave me in the comments if you've found anything that works, that you say to the things by voice, and if it doesn't work, tell me what you found that is quite unusual that hasn't worked. I think one of them is I'm not even going to go into it. Not on this video. And don't forget, get into that competition. Listen at the end, it'll tell you exactly what you need to do to get in for that. And, well, I hope you've enjoyed it. Until the next one, I'll be seeing you.
Thanks for watching, and do tell us in the comments section that you subscribed, and we can then contact you if you're the winner when the prize is drawn.
Quack, quack. Oops.